Honeycomb dehumidifier is not easy to maintain. The repair cost is high. Replacement is also troublesome. The Desiccant rotor type dehumidifier can solve the problems. With high performance and drying low cost, provides extremely dry air, DHML. Currently, various types of new plastics with excellent durability and antimicrobial properties are continuously being created, widely used in films and synthetic fibers. New problems have appeared in the drying process. The gas from volatile oils and additives will reduce the drying efficiency. Honeycomb dehumidifier is widely used in process to provide a large dry air with a dew point of -40. For over 30 years, there haven't been significant changes. The drying principle involves the material zeolite in the honeycomb wheel absorbing moisture from the air. Provide dry air with a dew point of -40 degrees Celsius to hopper dryer for drying, and form an internal loop through a pipe connection to continuously supply dry air. Volatile oil and gas molecules are larger than water molecules, so they cannot be absorbed by zeolite. The most troublesome is the viscosity of oil and gas. When the air passing through the honeycomb rotor contains gas, it will pollute the surface of the zeolite. Once the surface of the zeolite is polluted, its capacity will drop rapidly. In this case, the drying performance decreased by nearly half in just a few years. It will cost a lot to replace the honeycomb rotor. Don't mention it also requires complex disassembly work. Therefore, a low-cost repair desiccant rotor-type dehumidifier dryer, DHML, has been developed. The DHML cylinders are filled with desiccant. The DHML structure is designed with multiple chambers arranged like the cylinders of a revolver. DHML can produce air with a dew point of -40 degrees Celsius or even more, which is comparable to the honeycomb rotor. The biggest feature is when the desiccant deteriorates over time with usage. Users can replace and restore easily. It will work like a new one. After the old desiccant is taken out from the discharge port at the bottom of the cylinder, just refill the new desiccant through the top feed port. The desiccant is cheap price. It's very cost-effective. It also provides another special function for customers who are troubled by the large amount of oil and gas. Oil Eliminator, Taiwan patent. The recirculating air in the dryer is filled with oil and gas. As it passes through the cooling device inside the oil eliminator, the oil condenses into liquid form, which is filtered and collected. By adding the oil eliminator to the dehumidifier, contamination of the desiccant by oil and gas can be reduced, thereby extending their service life. Next generation model of dehumidifier. DHML, a desiccant rotor-type dehumidifier dryer, and combined with RD, a new pressure-type rapid dryer. The new model DHMW combines these two functions, and it is a dehumidifier with quick drying and energy-saving mechanism. Reducing the airflow velocity of dehumidified air accelerates moisture removal from plastic pellets. For example, with PET, the drying time can be reduced by half. For more information, please visit our official website or feel free to contact us.